Good morning. Oh yeah, I had a mix up on my extension cord, so today I'm gonna show you how to repair it. Okay, first I did this to one side. I'm gonna show you what you do to this side. Take my knife and I cut that so that it'll show all the wires that I need to connect. Okay. And these are my electrical shears. Be careful though. Make sure you get the right size, or you might cut too deep and you expose the wire. That's your neutral. To see all the wires exposed. Do it to the other side. Okay. Now you see the difference in the colors? Okay, you match the colors. This is my black. And you twist them. Then I fold it. Okay. Then you take your tape and you wrap them individually so that those wires don't connect. Now you green to the green. Make sure you tape all of the metal, the copper, so they don't touch. And then you're white. Cover it entirely so they don't connect at any time. Okay, now that they're together, take all of this loose, cut all of this loose stuff off, because you want to repair it. See, it's all together there. Now you take your electrical tape, and you wrap it all the way around, so none of the wires shown. And it'll make your whole cord like one piece. I double it because I might have missed a piece, so that water won't go in there and get it wet. your core repaired.